FS Closet, founded by Farah Sayed, is a clothing brand which is inspired by aristocracy. It is a brand that strives on recreating suburban and original trends. The brand endorses hand weavers, which results in most of the collections being purely based on hand woven fabrics. Now let's hear it from the woman herself who brought FS Closet to life.
You are not early, you are not late. You are right on time for living your dreams. Passion and creating passion does not have to have a particular time or age. Yes, I at FS Closet believe in this. Although I am having an experience of more than 20 years in this field, but we professionally started at 22nd October 2018. When I thought of creating a brand, I wanted to add a brush of elegance and royalty to anything I would craft. I wanted people to wear outfits designed by me and feel beautiful and confident. This is my message to you all that never leave your dreams. You should live for your dreams.
Generally, every designer has their own style and they all are working in a specific direction. But we at FS Closet think of bringing authentic and past techniques of India all under one roof at one destination. So we have traditional Indian collections of authentic Lucknowis, Bandej, Maheshwari, Chanderi, Banarasi, silk and Georgette, along with contemporary styles like Indo-Western, ready-to-wear saris, gowns, semi-formals and many more stylish dresses. We also have a huge array of wedding and trousseau. The brand has also collaborated with Sania Mirza, Avneet Kaur, Amira Dastur, Shiba Saigal, Neha Malik, Tina Ahuja, Zoya Afroz and many more. It has also been a part of the Bombay Times Fashion Week in 2019, showcasing its collection Zahra in 3 pastel colors for the models, along with the royal red colors for the showstoppers. It has also been a part of various fashion shows and has showcased its creations in exhibitions all over India and in exhibitions internationally. The brand has also been a part of Mr. and Miss MP in 2019 and 2021. It has also been a part of the Miss Diva Indore auditions. The brand is also part of various multi-designer stores all across the country. The brand has also been in the newspaper for various occasions, whether it be fashion shows, exhibitions or pageant competitions. It will soon be a part of upcoming movies as well.
फ़रा सैयद जी बड़ी ही अच्छी डिज़ाइनर हैं। मैं इनसे मिला था बॉम्बे टाइम 2019 के बॉम्बे टाइम फैशन वीक में, जहां इन्होंने बहुत ही अच्छी अच्छी ड्रेसेस पेश की थी और मैं बहुत इम्प्रेस हुआ इनसे। और इनका जो FS Closet जो इनका ब्रांड है, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो वंडरफुल। एंड मैंने तब इनसे कहा था कि भाई आई वांट टू वर्क विद यू इन माय नेक्स्ट फिल्म एज ए डिज़ाइनर। तो इंतज़ार कर रहा हूँ कब आएंगी। ये चैलेंजिंग टाइम समाप्त होने के बाद आप मुंबई पधारें और हमारे साथ भी कभी फिल्म में काम करें। ऑल द बेस्ट टू यू। थैंक्स एंड टेक केयर।
Hi, this is Imran Khan, and I just want to state that I was very, very blessed and I was very fortunate to have met Farah Saeed here in Mumbai a couple of years back, precisely in 2019, where she was here with her collection FS Closet for a Mumbai Fashion Week. And I was mesmerized, amazed with her collection, especially traditional. To again working with her for a project which has to be shot in Kashmir. So, all the best for us, Saeed, and you guys are really good. FS Closet, you guys rock. Looking forward to again meeting you and working with you. God bless you.
Hello Farah ji, here at Nadiadwala Flicks. Looking forward to work with you again on our next venture and wish you all the best.
The brand will also be a part of the forthcoming edition of Femina in June.